Very special treat for you guys today. This is probably the most amazing blazer I have ever seen. You guys may have seen this thing on the internet. It's a 72 blazer on a pre-runner chassis. Well, no, it's not a pre-runner chassis. It's a full custom pre-runner build. I've only got a few minutes with this thing in my shop, but I just wanted to do a walk around and just show you what's possible. What a beauty. This is 72, like I mentioned, full mezzanine rear suspension, full 4-link. I don't even know where to begin, but let's just walk around, take it all in, ask me some questions down below, and I'll do the best I can to answer. Engine has been raised up 9 inches. This thing has 14 inches suspension in the front. I think it's 21 in the rear. But yeah, raise the engine 9 inches to accomplish that. Fully custom box plated frame all the way throughout. I mean, look at the linkage alone for the steering box. Beautiful wiring job. Full race interior, custom built doghouse. I'm in awe of this build, you guys. Look how the sway bar and the cantilever are a single